Hi everyone. My name is Sonu Nigam. I am here front of you. Uh, I am going to talk about English. I want to make the video too long. I will explain it in short. What I mentioned in the first video. I feel that it was a brief, a bit. So today I am repeating everything so you can handle things, all of it. There is a method to understand everything, so you need to understand this. If I talk about English, learning English is not difficult. People think that I cannot learn English, but that is not truth. This is called mindset. People get scared of English. I don't know, but they have assumed their mind about it. They feel that I cannot learn English. That is why they keep asking all kind of question. Because of this, they have tried to. Uh, they have never tried to practice. Even if they try a little, they give up quickly. They need to understand this. Practicing a little is not enough. They have to make uh, continuous effort. Then you will get real benefit. What has happened is uh, whatever here whatever you heard from people has settled in your mind. So no matter what people say, never give up any situation. If you think I have lost, consider that you have lost. So remove useless things from your mind. You need to learn how to think in the right way. When you think correctly, the right things start coming into your mind. So no matter how difficult it is, uh, it completely depend on you how much effort you put in. You already know this. These are three methods to learn English: speaking, reading, learning. So through which everyone teaches English. There is no method in the world. You need to understand this. You keep practicing, work on your mindset, and create a reason to learn English. For doing any work, there is always a reason behind it. If you hard work without any reason, you will lose. If someone has achieved a goal, there is always some reason behind it. Tell me how you liked my advice. I will keep bringing more method in the future for you in different way through which you can learn to everything. So please help me as much as you can. I promise I will do my best to help from my side. So join my channel, India Spoken English with Sonu. Um, I hope you have understood everything. So that is all for today. Allow me to live now. So thank you.